Hello, my name is Ning. I'm a last year student and I'm studying at Hanoi University of Mining and Geology. Today I'm very happy to tell you about 5 questions. The first one is, why do you think people go to college or university? I think attending college or university helps us to train our life skills. The second one is, parents are the best teacher. Do you agree or disagree? I think parents cannot help the children to gain professional and methodical training. The third one is, food has become easier to prepare. Has it improved the way people live? I think easier to prepare food helps us improve the quality of meals. The fourth one is knowledge from books or knowledge from experience more important? Why? I think learning from experience more important because it helps us to update information faster. The last question. A company wishes to build a large factory near your community. Do you support or oppose? I think building a large factory causes environmental pollution. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.